The government of Dominica is implementing the Caribbean Digital Transformation Project through funds from the World Bank. One key component of this initiative is the Digital Innovation Grant, designed to empower entrepreneurs by fostering the adoption and integration of digital technologies into their businesses. As a result, these entrepreneurs now have the opportunity to acquire software and equipment, build or enhance e-commerce websites, and receive training.
My business is ShopDM. It's a business that I co-own with my co-founder Gandhi Robin. So what we do is we provide payment and e-commerce services to Dominican businesses. So that helps Dominican businesses do a range of things, from selling online on the grocery-focused ShopDM marketplace, to accepting card payments in person with our printed QR codes, to online digital invoicing, we recently got into food ordering with Perky's, House of Barbecue, several other businesses. So generally we help Dominican businesses go online and accept payments online. So we're a tech company, just like any other tech company in other parts of the world. One of the key inputs for our business, therefore, is software engineers, people who can build the software. So I'm a professional software engineer. The vast majority of the software in ShopDM is actually built by myself, unfortunately, and that's really the challenge. The challenge is that there aren't many people that can easily help us to build what needs to be built. So that's what we use the grant for. We contracted a software engineer that I had previously had a professional relationship with in London, and he was able to come onto the team for maybe about 3 weeks, based on the funds, and could help us build out some key parts of the software. It's been pretty beneficial. Obviously, building a tech business is generally challenging, so it wouldn't be any one thing that would solve the challenges. But particularly with this software engineer, he came on at a time when our customers were having some challenges with the invoicing feature, and we really wanted to roll out the scanning one-time payments feature. So that really points to the challenge I often have. I can't work on two big things at once. So he was able to work on one of these big features and help us get it out, without having the customers wait too long and complain too much and say, oh, this isn't working, I don't want to use it anymore. So in retrospect, it was pretty useful. We were able to basically double our software engineering team for about a month. It meant that things just came out faster. So I'm definitely very supportive of a grant program like this, because if it's targeted and used in that sort of way, it can really help deliver better competitive abilities for businesses like mine or similar businesses. Yeah, and to go a little further with ShopDM particularly, one of the things about us is the things we build, they're not for ourselves, right? They're for the partner businesses that we work with. So the software that we built is now being used by hundreds of businesses in Dominica, because we're business to business, right? Like what we do is we build tech for other businesses. So if you go around Rosary, you will see like QR codes where you can scan to accept payments. That's growing with more and more businesses, and that was one of the areas that the software engineer could contribute to. Our ambition is to completely digitize the businesses in Dominica. So, I think people who are paying attention to what we're doing can already see that happening. By the end of this year, we want to make it so that you can, pretty much order any food that you'd want online. You can host events locally and not need a US bank account to accept tickets. We want to make it so that tourists never have the problem of, oh, I went to this place, they don't take card. If there is grant money available, definitely, first look at your business and make sure there's a need, and as long as there's a need, then apply for it. Like, grants are one of the maybe 3 ways a business can be financed. You can have loans, you can have grants, you can have equity, share sales. And if you're gonna get the money from, an ING or the government, I'd say take it and apply it to your business. That's what we've done, and it's definitely created some value for us.